and it is the Jess Sisters. And today we're going to be making DIY slime kit. So first we're going to start off with the glue. You're going to need a container like this or any kind. You're going to need, so we're using Elmer's glue, or you can use this kind of glue. Would you like to hold this for me?
Yeah. Okay, kids, be very careful when doing this step. Wow. Total concentration here.
So, okay, now we have the glue in. Make sure you have paper towels for if you have a spill.
Okay.
Right here, on the glue, it has a label that says glue. Next up is baking soda. We have this little thing to sprinkle our baking soda with, and then we have the baking soda.
Oh.
You want to hold this?
Yeah.
Hold that. Be careful with doing the baking soda. Just to make sure, you want to have a bowl underneath the container.
Ah! You got on my hand.
Finish pouring the baking soda in. Here it is, the baking soda. Put the top on nice and tight so you won't spill it.
Next is the saline solution. And we have this container that says solution on it, and it has this pop-up. Can you hold it?
Make sure you put the top on really tight so it won't spill. Next, we're gonna go to the lotion.
We get a container and lotion. And
yeah, we have a container.
And lotion.
And here, pour the lotion in the container. And I'll hold the container. Just squeeze it so nothing will spill. So a little bit more. Okay, I think that's perfect.
Now let's mix it.
So we're gonna clean it up again. And this is the lotion that we use.
Baby lotion.
So here it is in the container. If you want to make fluffy slime, you can use shaving cream, any kind, it doesn't matter. You also need bowls to mix your slime in. Aren't these the cutest?
Mine.
We have the kit thing so we can store all our slime supplies in it. It's really handy. We have containers so we can store our slime in. We have some wipes to be able to wash our hands in. If we make a mess, we can just clean it up. Last but not least, we have a spoon to mix our slime in, so.
Like to mix it.
Yep.
We can mix it like this. Silly.
You can get these glitters in 4-pack from Walmart for $1. You can also get the food coloring from Walmart, but I forgot how much. And the other two are somewhere.
Here's some Marvel Magic. We got it from Walmart.
Put it. We use this to keep it fresh. Oh, these are the foam beads. They're really messy. So now we're gonna pour it in. I cut a strip right here so it's easier. If you can't do it, ask your parent. Be really careful.
This is goodness.
You can even try to let your little sister do it. Pour it. Look at this big mess. Now we're gonna have to clean it up. Hurry and clean it up. Sneak and clean it up before your parents see it. Okay guys, now it's all cleaned up. Now we're gonna do the DIY slime kit, which covers three different slimes. So the first option is regular slime, fluffy slime, and foam slime. And this is like the recipe of all the slimes. This is the Model Magic. So I'm gonna put this right here. This is your spoon to mix your slime with. Your Elmo's glue or your other one. Your lotion. This is your solution. Your glitters. Food coloring. Foam beads. Baking soda. Shaving cream. Your containers. These are your options. This one, and this one. And these are your cute bowls. And then your handy dandy wipes.
Wiping it up.
This is the completed DIY slime kit.
Slime kit.
Smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye everyone!
Bye.